Good morning. How are you? Now we are marching towards different frames on spoken English, and we studied some frames like making request, polite request, and etc. Like now we reach frame number 5. That is called frame number 5. What is it? How can you make some suggestions? This is a very easy area where we find this plan is to teach you certain frames by which you can communicate. Now suppose we want to do certain suggestions. What will you do? That is a matter of question. And it is given in the page number 107, suggestions and regrets. How you will regret on an accident happening to your friend. You will go and show your sympathy towards him. So better we study certain frames by which you can easily address him or easily address the public. This is the way of communication, the way of presentation. As if a writer says in one of the articles, somebody asking the writer, who could be the real cultured person? Who will be the real cultured person? The writer says, a cultured person can be made assessed of by the way of his talking, by the way of his presenting things. Suppose he uses beautiful adjustable language, we can say, we can make an assessment that he has been culturally taught. By the way, by the side of the parents or from the side of the teachers. But we can easily understand by the way of his presentation things. So we would say, just like this writer, once you try to make suggestions, what all the frames that you will come across? Certain frames given in the textbook you can write. Alright, suppose we are now sitting together and we say, let us go for the movie. Alright, very simple thing. First frame. Alright, let us go for a movie. Alright, let us go for a movie. Just like that is a frame. Just let us go. This movie underlined word can be replaced. We can easily say, let us take dinner. Let us have a cup of tea. Let us go to hotel now. We can easily say. So, the book says this is a frame that you have to make use of it. Once you have a situation where your friends are sitting under a tree and you can say, oh my dear friends, shall we go to canteen now? Let us go. Shall we go? That is also a suggestion. Shall we go? So our idea, our objective is to make you understand certain frames by which you can present things and address your friends. So this can be used as a best one. Let us go, let us take, let us ride, let us move. Like that you make one of the best frames. Second one, would it be okay? That is a communicative style. Alright, would it be okay? Alright, people say, would it be okay? Suppose we talk to a friend and he is in trouble and we say, would it be okay that if I take you to your home? Would it be okay? Second frame. So let us go for a movie, let us go for a dinner, let us go to a hotel, like that. Would it be okay if I can help you? Would it be okay if I can help you? That is a suggestion. Alright, I would suggest 7:30, like some people very formally say, I would suggest. All these are the frames meant for different suggestions. I would suggest by 7:30 we can go to market. Oh, we shall go to. I would suggest you to visit Mr. John outside the corridor. Like that, we can say that is a frame I would suggest you to do. So let us go. The thing that if you want to shine in communicative way, study all these frames and try to use it. We should have watched. That is another thing. All right. These all called as suggestions. We can say simply suggestions. Now we go for regret. We should have watched. We should have, all right, watched. Example, you watched a terrible movie that you feel that you lost money. And if you would see, we should have watched another one. We should have watched another one. Means it is a matter of regret. That we or some people are there telling that this movie, that movie is okay, you go. But after the movie, we feel that we lost everything. Our money, our time, everything. So we can better say, people ask you, how do you feel? How do you, enjoy the movie? And you say, I should have watched another movie. I should have gone. I should have watched another. This one is very bad. I lost my money. I lost my time. But I would have watched it in a different way. So people are showing regrets. I did not live up my expectation. Alright, some people say, I went there and sat for 3 hours for the movie. It did not give up my expectation. It did not give my expectation. All these frames given in page number 108 and 109, all these you have to study. All right, so they are giving certain suggestions. All right, we could go for a movie. You should have consulted a doctor. People give a suggestion. Another thing, out of these 4, another one is you should have all right, consulted. You should have consulted a doctor. Should have, or you should consult. Should have consulted or should consult a doctor. It gives a suggestion. Am I right? So you should have consulted. Now you have been suffering from fever for almost 3 days. Am I right? So you should have consulted a doctor. You should consult a doctor giving a suggestion. So this you should have consulted. You should have gone there. Means you should have consulted a doctor. Means you did not consult. If you had consulted, your fever would have been gone, but you did not consult. So this is a frame by which you can suggest you should have gone there. Means you did not go there. You should have done it. You should have done it. Means you did not do. So this is also a frame. So we have one page number 112 in the old book. Above the conversational frame 6, there is a match the following method given A to B, column A and column B. What is that? Why don't we go to the cinema? All right, why don't we go to the cinema or movie? Right side A to F given lot of matchings. So why don't we go to the cinema? It is a suggestion for watching a movie. So watching a movie given there. Another one, how about discussing the issue now? How about How about discussing the issue now? All right, solving a problem. We give a suggestion. It is meant for solving a problem. So many items of references given in the textbook, like A column and B column, you have to match and ask any doubts you feel. Then you go to frame number 6. So better keep all these frames in your notebook. Later you have to make a conversation with this. Now you have frame number 6. After suggestions and regrets, we have frame number 6, showing, appreciating and complimenting. It is a very simple method of congratulating. We congratulate some people. Suppose your friends got first rank in the class exam. You should congratulate him in what way you will appreciate. It shows frame number 6. Alright. So many methods. Out of so many methods, you study 1 to 5 or 6 items. So try yourself into communication. Then your way of presentation will be very good. That is what we mean. Frame number 6, what is called? Once we call frame number 6 in the way, then how to appreciate others, how to compliment others, how to congratulate others. All these are the methods you have to keep in mind. Am I right? So, people say, what a pleasant surprise. First one. What a pleasant surprise. One question. All right. Surprise. What a pleasant surprise. Can't you study this one? Very simple. Once you get your friend on the way, accidentally meeting on the road, you get, oh, my dear Raju, what a pleasant surprise. Problem over. Simple. Wow, you look fantastic in that dress. People say, all right, we can appreciate. Whoa, all right. Oh, you look fantastic. All right, fantastic in new dress. All right, look here. You look very fantastic. Why can't you study these 2-3 frames and keep in your communication? Wow, what a pleasant surprise. Oh, you look fantastic in new dress. That is nice of you to say so. People say, that is very nice of you to say. That also you can write. That is nice of you. This is a frame. That is nice of you. Some people say you look gorgeous in photos. I mean, very beautiful dress. I think that you are enough to talk like. So you study some frames given in the complimenting. Here given in page number 114. All right. So you look gorgeous in photographs. You look very genuine, gorgeous. So at least study 1, 2, 3 frames by which you can congratulate and appreciate your friends. Why can't you say, you look pretty? When you wear beautiful dress, complimenting as an appearance, people come with a new dress. Oh, you look pretty when you wear pajama. She is marvelous on the stage. We can say, oh, she is marvelous on the stage. It stands for, it is given in page number 114, again matching the following A to B. Statements given example. She is marvelous on the stage, showing appreciation. Once some people are there, they come on the stage, or their character will be different. They talk in a very act in a different way. So we say, oh, you are very marvelous on the appreciation. These are the different frames of appreciation and complimenting that is given there. Page number 155, 115. Again, they have given 8 jumbled words phrases, jumbled words assignment. You have to put it in the order and tell whether appreciating or suggestion or regrets like that. For example, first one we will take what have you an adorable face got? The method that we studied in translation grammatical lesson number 1, the way they have given so many different words used. You have to make it. One example, I'll show you here. All right. First one. All right. Okay. What have you? Look here. What? This is the first example. What have you? All right. What have you an adorable what have you an adorable face got? Look here. All these are the different words written in a different order. You put it in the correct order. Then tell whether it is a suggestion, whether it is a regret, whether it is a congratulation, whether it is a appreciation like that. First we put it in the order. What an adorable face you have got. This can be written in different way. What an adorable face. What an adorable face you have got. Put it in the order. You have got. So this is the statement from jumbled words we prepared, and it stands for appreciation. That is given in the page number 114. All right. Now the next frame we go for frame number 7. All right, is called telephone conversation. All right, telephone conversation. Look here, telephone. This is in a way very common in our daily life. How once people calling you a mobile, some people call you over landline, how do you answer? This is just a way, all right, not really interpersonal, but from one side to another side we talk. The listener may be listening quietly and see. In what way, what all the etiquettes, what all the methods we can put a conversation, very general, all right. First bell, your instrument will ring the bell, right? Then you will take, all right. First, what shall we do? Hello, that is the method, general method, common method. Hello, then the other side person calling. Oh, is it 2558885? People call. From the other side calling. Is it 2558825? Then you will be talking to the talker. All right. In what way? May I know who is this? All right. May I know? That is the method, formality by which you communicate. First one, hello. The other end calling. Is it 2558825? Then we ask, may I know who is speaking? Then automatically the caller will tell, I am Lisa speaking. Let me connect to you, please. Lisa speaking. All right. Sorry, a little bit late. Can you take a message? Then normally the caller would ask, I want to talk to you. Lisa, who is my friend? Is she available in the house? Then the person, the receiver may be telling, oh, she has gone out. She has gone out. Will be visiting the temple. Will be coming late. Oh my God. The caller will be calling. Then the listener would say, can I take a message from you? All right. Then the caller would say, okay, ask her to bring the library book she took from the library yesterday when she comes in the school tomorrow. That is the message. So the listener would actually prepare a plan of writing a message and hand over to Lisa. It is Nancy here. I am sorry I don't catch you like. So you can prepare very simple method of telephone conversation by certain frames. First one, you can copy down. First one, talking A to B or B to A. B is calling to A. Then A is taking phone. Hello? All right. Then A talking hello. Is it 255 B? Yes. Automatically B calling. Yes. May I know who is speaking? Who is calling? May I know? This is a compulsory frame by which you have to reply to the caller. May I know who is speaking? A telling, I am John, Raju's friend. Then B, oh, he is not at home. He is not here. Raju has gone outside. Then A, oh, is it a mother speaking? Look, the general communication conversation going in this way. Is it a mother speaking? Then B, yes, I am. He has gone to the temple. He has gone to the temple or church. He has gone to the church. I want to talk to him a personal matter. John telling, Raju's friend John telling mother, I want to talk to him a personal matter. Then mother or B, can I take a message from you? All right. Then John, yes mom, tell him to bring the library book which he took last week to the school tomorrow. Then mother, okay my dear boy. Then John would say, okay mom, thank you. This is the method by which we prepare a telephone conversation. And even after reciting all these telephone conversation, we can, if we want, we can prepare a message. How this mother wrote a message to our Raju. All right, Raju means maybe her own son who has gone for church, will be coming later. So before that, she has written a message. My dear son Raju, your friend called this time, and he told me like this, to take a library book to be returned tomorrow to the school or college. That's why mother. So message is written. So first of all, the conversation style we keep in our mind. A calling B and B is replying. In what way? There is a method. So this is called telephone conversation going in the page number what is called 116 and 117. 2-3 examples given there that you have to discuss. Discuss in groups in the following list of expression. Telephone conversation match with their function. For example, it is given the bottom of page number 117 in the old book. Hi Max, Simon here. All right. Hi. First match the following column A. Hi Max, Simon here. All right. It is calling to somebody, means you have to match from the right side beginning a call. Then third one, could you hold on? Frame, could you hold on? Suppose our Raju is at home, he is in the bathroom. Mother would say, please, could you hold on? Could you hold on the receiver? All right, automatically. What is the meaning? What is the mission? Asking to wait. So you have to match from the B column. In the same way, exercise page number 118. Match two parts of the sentence from some telephone conversation. Same method. All right. Press the star key like third one. I will call you. All right. When I get back to my office. So From the A to B section, you have to match. These are the 7 frames you have to study. 7 frames, preferably study by heart, and preferably you put in your communicative English. Whenever you get your friends, you talk in this way. How just keep in the brain text notebook that which all the frames by which you can communicate it to others. These were the main ideas of our communicative system based on different steps. So let us come to the part 2, academic communication, by next class. Academic communication, a brief section given there. After that, area will be over. So you go through the textbook, read all the exercise, try to do all the match the following, and if any problem you have, text me, then we will answer. Till that moment, wish you all the best.